in today's Photoshop school, I want to talk about a great new feature in the likes of the text tool in Photoshop. So we're pretty much used to kind of being able to, clicking on to the text box, dragging out a box, and then, boudoir photography. And what it would then do is basically, obviously, we kind of rechange the size of the box, and it kind of has to be changed. So in other words, if I want the boudoir to be as big as the photography, I'd have to kind of go in and make it a little bit bigger. I'd have to change the spacing of the letters and so on with it. But Photoshop has got a new lightning text feature with it. So if I basically just get rid of that for now, let me just drag that down to the bin. And we just click on to T, and I just do exactly the same thing as we just did, and I type in boudoir photography. But instead of playing around with the text at this point, if I come up to the toolbar options here at the top, you can see there's a T with a lightning bolt. And the great thing about this now, it will resize as we need. So it will keep the word whole, and obviously it will kind of just work to the parameters. So it's automatically changing the actual box itself. So if I was to paste in, let's say, a whole load of words across here, and you would see what would happen to begin with. It would kind of put all the text in and the size of font that it would be, and once more I could go in and change the font. However, if I click onto the lightning tool, it basically will reorganize, resize based on how it fits into the box. And as I drag the box across, of course, it will make certain words bigger and smaller and so on with it. No way to actually give words hierarchy yet that I know of, but I'm sure in time that we'll be able to actually do it in things really. So that's just using the likes of the lightning bolt T on the image itself. And of course, what you can do is obviously add, more text in at any stage, change text, whatever it would be. So if I wanted to just use, I don't know, some of these words, if I just Control A that, I paste in a new set. So there's less words in here now. You can see already kind of the control that we've got. It reminds me of the Pepsi advert, was it, in the 70s, 80s, which is lips smacking, thirst quenching, ace tasting, blah, 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 and so on with it. But I've always loved this way that it can actually work with text, but it's always been a slow thing to do in Photoshop. Many of the design features allowed you to kind of do this in the past, like Adobe Express and Canva and so on with it, but it's great to see it now in Photoshop itself.